Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Miss Almaz from Army Public Junior School, Multan, Kent. This is computer class of level 2 and it is week 9 assignment. I welcome you all in EPSEC's online support program. Students, our today's lesson is chapter 11, my first article, and it's your task 1, work with text. Yes, students, let's see what will be the objective of this lesson. After this lesson, students will be able to know the word processing components and they can create and edit documents. As you know that in Microsoft Office, we are using many programs. In these programs, the first program is Microsoft Word. When we want to create any application, letter, then we will choose Microsoft Word. And when we want to create a presentation, then we will choose Microsoft PowerPoint. And when we want to create a spreadsheet, then we will choose Microsoft Excel. As you know that there are different ways to start MS Word. Few ways are there, like you can use the Windows Start button. If you are using a Windows 2007, on that window we have a Start button. With the help of that button, you can open Microsoft Word. Use a desktop shortcut. Any shortcut on your desktop, you just choose it and then you can use Microsoft Word. Use most frequently used programs on left side of the Start menu. Right click a Word document and left click to open. That is the most common way to use Microsoft Word program. When I want to choose Microsoft Word program, then I will click on Start menu. When I will click on that Start menu, that bar will appear. From this bar, I will choose the document Microsoft Word. Here I am using Word 2016, so I will click on it. Okay students, when you will click on Microsoft Word program, this type of page will appear. Look at the page very carefully. On this page, we have an option with the name of Quick 2. Yes, with the help of Quick 2, you can use these tools more quickly from there. The second one is Inserty Point. It is just like a blinking eye. You can add text, symbols, number from there. There are many tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review and View. So these are the tabs. The title of the document is there. Document 1 Microsoft Word. It will be at the top of the page. At the bottom of the page there are view buttons. That one is a scroll bar and this one is a ruler. Okay students, now come to the next point. The next point is about exploring the Word 2010 window. The Quick Access toolbar provides us with access to commands we frequently use. It means that the things which we want to use more quickly, we can get these tools from this Quick Access toolbar more quickly. By default, Save, Undo and Redo appear in the toolbar. So we can use Save, Undo and Redo options more quickly from this bar. Okay students, let's see what is a title bar. Title bar displays the title of document on which we are currently working. Like we are currently working on document 1 Word. So that is the name of the title bar. You have different name like my documents, my assignment. Now let's see that why we are using File tab. Microsoft got back the File tab with Office 2010. Yes, in Microsoft Office 2010, we have a proper tab for file option. But Office 2007 had a Microsoft Office button for the file handling. File handling, like we can check the recent file, we can select the new file, we can choose the print option, and we can save and save as and different option from file tab. By this tab, we can save, open, close and use many other options like this. We can use many other options with the help of that option. Students, with the help of these two pictures, you can differentiate between the button of file option and the tab of file option. Yes, in Word 2007, we had the button of file tab. But in Word 2010, now we have the tab of file option. Okay students, when you will open Microsoft Word page, you can see the blinking eye like this. That will be the insertion point. Depending upon the action you are taking, the insertion point can take on many different forms. When you are inserting text, it is an eye beam. It is just like a blinking eye beam. And you can add text, symbols, numbers from ruler. Horizontal and vertical rulers are used to align text, graphics, tables, and the other contents in document. The ruler may or may not be turned on. If you don't see the ruler, click on the View tab. Yes, this one is a ruler. Scroll bars. There are two types of scroll bars. The first one is vertical scroll bar and the second one is horizontal scroll bar. We are using vertical scroll bar when we want to move the window up or down. And the second one is horizontal scroll bar. We are using the horizontal scroll bar when we want to move the window left to right or right to left. Just like with any program including the interning, the scroll bars allows you move left to right or up and down. Okay, now come to the next tab and that tab is the Home tab. In this Home tab, we have many options like we can use clipboard, we can adjust the font size, style, colors from font options. We can adjust the paragraph alignment. We can add bullets, numbers from paragraph options. We can add different types of styles with styles option and we can edit our text with the help of editing options. Okay students, now I will explain the font group. In font group, we can change the font from here, bold, from here, italic, underline, strike through, subscript or superscript, text effects, text highlight color, font color, clear formatting, change case, grow, shrunk, font from here. It's mean that you can make the font size larger from here and smaller from here. And you can also adjust the font size with the help of that numbering. Okay students, now we will come to the font group. We have many options in font group like font. It specifies the text font style. This specifies font style like bold and italic. Font size. It specifies font size in points. Font color. It specifies the color of the selected text. Underline. Enable the user to underline selected text and color the underline. Ready for the question and answer? Give the correct answer to your parents and get some reward in the form of chocolate and in the form of candy as well. Yes, students, identify the given tab, observe it carefully, and give the correct answer to your parents. Yes, this tab is the Home tab. Students, now there is a time of an activity. Let's see what is the activity. Do practice. Steps to open MS Word program. On your computer, you will do the practice that how you will open MS Word program. Identify all tools and applications related to Home tab. On MS Word, you will open Home tab and you will do practice and you will identify all tools related to Home tab. Thank you students and have a nice day.